In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Shopify Dawn theme footer for customization. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch or enhance your website's functionality, customizing the footer to suit your needs is a straightforward process that I'm excited to guide you through. To begin, navigate to your Shopify dashboard and direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll want to click on Online Store, which will bring you to the section where your themes are managed. Within this section, you'll see your active theme, which in this case is the Dawn theme. Go ahead and click on Customize, which will open the site editor and allow you to make your desired changes. Once you're in the site editor, it's time to focus on the footer, which is located at the bottom of your page. Scroll down to the very bottom to reveal this section of your site. The footer is an important element of your store as it often contains essential information and links for your visitors. Click directly on the footer, and you'll notice that its properties appear in the right panel of the editor. In this Properties panel, you have several customization options available at your fingertips. You can enable or disable various utilities that are part of your footer, which can include elements like contact information, store policies, or quick links. This customization lets you ensure that the footer serves both your business needs and your customers' convenience effectively. Additionally, adjusting the spacing and padding of your footer is possible within this same panel. These adjustments allow your footer to fit seamlessly with the rest of your page's design, providing a clean and cohesive look to your entire website. Playing around with these settings can help you achieve the exact aesthetic you desire. If you find that your footer needs more content, you have the option to add blocks. To do this, head over to the left panel under the footer section and click on Add Block. This feature allows you to further enrich your footer with additional information like social media links, newsletter signups, or any other content that might be beneficial for your audience. After you've made your desired edits and are satisfied with how the footer looks and functions, it's important to save your work. Head over to the upper right corner of the editor and click on the Save button. And there you have it. Your Shopify Dawn theme footer is now customized to better serve your visitors and represent your brand. That wraps up our guide on editing and customizing your Shopify Dawn theme footer. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and are now empowered to make these changes with confidence. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to leave a comment or reach out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.